Now, let's take a look at mindfulness. Again, it's another buzzword that's around at the moment, but sometimes people are really unsure of its meaning and what it actually entails.
Mindfulness is the ability to be fully present, aware of where we are and what we are doing, and not overly react or be overwhelmed by the world around us. Mindfulness stretching exercises release endorphins into the brain to improve mood. They are calming and relaxing. We also use breathing exercises to take time for yourself and explore how you feel at the moment. Here's a video of calming Pilates mindful stretches and breathing exercises. So join in so you can feel the benefits of Pilates for yourself.
Okay everyone, sit forwards with your bottom towards the front of your chair. Place your feet firmly on the ground and sit up really tall. Shoulders down, neck nice and long like a giraffe. And I'd like you to take some big deep breaths for me. Filling up full of air and then letting it all out again. Let's go again. Breathe in, big deep breath in and out. Let's do 2 more. Really breathe in deeply and out. 1 more time. Breathe in and out. Fantastic. This time, let your head relax down, looking towards the floor. Let your fingertips creep down the front of your legs and go as far as you can to the floor. And then walk back up. Sitting tall again, neck like a giraffe, shoulders down. Let's go again. Have a look down at the floor. Creep those fingers down. And walk back up, creeping those fingers back up. Can we do 2 more? Let's go. Looking down at the floor, creeping those fingers down. And back up. Let's do one last one. Make this a really good one. Looking down at the floor, walking down, and coming back up. Sitting tall again. Think, have I grown now? Am I bigger? Shoulders are down, long neck like a giraffe. Bring up your hands so that your fingertips are touching just under your chin. And then we're going to twist around to one side, keeping your bottom and your legs really still. And back to the middle. And the other way. And back to the middle. This time, when you twist, I want you to take a big deep breath in for me. And breathe out as you come back to the middle. Let's go the other way. Breathe in. And breathe out. 1 more to each side. Breathe in. Breathe out. And last time.
So hopefully you joined in and had a go at our lovely calming Pilates stretches. And now you feel relaxed but energised and ready to do the next part of the workshop. So now I'd like to think about where a calming Pilates activity would fit into your teaching day.
Yeah, so how about first thing after registration to set the tone for the day. As soon as the children have done their registration, off we go with a Pilates stretch.
Or you could use it in assembly or something like that.
Yeah, everybody doing it together.
After lunch.
Yeah, fantastic. Or maybe as a cool down after a PE session.
Or a long day, a stressful day.
Or even a long week. If you've had a long week, calming Pilates at the end of the week.
Staff meetings are always good.
And always quite in a stressful part of the day, aren't they? So Pilates stretches for the staff would be great.
And then the run up to SATs as well. This is useful for the older students who are getting themselves in a little pickle over SATs.
And the list is endless. There's hundreds of opportunities throughout the day and throughout the week where you could start to slot these kind of activities in. And it's just a really nice way to get some mindfulness, some stretching, some breathing into their day, and it suits you and your class.
And it's not competitive. You don't have to jump around so much. It's just about moving that spine and nourishing that brain and flooding it full of oxygen and hormones that help to improve mood and learn.
Absolutely.